How's it going? This is the BX500 2.5-inch SATA SSD from Crucial, which you Micron, by the way, for pulling out of the consumer market. I guess try and get these while supplies last. I'm assuming once there's no more of these left, we're probably never going to see these again. They're going to basically become collector's items here in a few years. This is actually the second one of these I have ever bought. The first one I have had for just over 2 years, written about 20 terabytes to it, still runs ice cold. 2 years and 20 terabytes, it is still at about 99%. This little guy is going to be used pretty much exclusively for storing raw audio files for Foley and sound design for the foreseeable future. It has a massive capacity of 4 terabytes, which honestly should, in theory, last my entire career. Does the sight of just a loose SATA drive stress you out? Good, I'm glad. Cable management is stupid. We do not do that here. And yep, there's a speed test. That's exactly what you'd expect from a SATA drive. It's perfect. Perfect.